It's not just me that's in danger. They're all part of breaking the curse. I can't blame anyone else.
She never slows down. She doesn't know why, but she knows that when she's all alone, feels like it's all coming down. She won't turn around. The shadows are long and she fears if she cries that first tear, the tears will not stop raining down. So stand in the rain, stand your ground, stand up when it's all crashing down. You stand through the pain, you won't drown, and one day what's lost can be found. You stand in the rain.
No, it's all gone. I don't want to be one.
This is where I know you'll come back.
I never wanted to be one.
She won't make a sound, alone in this fight with herself and the fears whispering. If she stands, she'll fall down.
Send a message to Cloud Doppelganger is alive, she's ready to surrender. What?
The only way out
You
is
do
through
not get to make
everything
decisions.
she's
When have I ever made a decision?
running
Get your ass out the door before I throw you
wants
over my
to
shoulder
give
and by myself.
up and lie down. So stand in the rain, stand your ground, stand up when it's all crashing down. You stand through the pain, you won't drown, and one day what's lost can be found. You stand in the rain, so stand in the rain, stand your ground, stand up when it's all crashing down. Stand through the pain, you won't drown, and one day what's lost can be found. So
Sounds
stand
like you should be
in the
playing games.
rain.
I'm the one who brought the cure. Where's Nathan? Are you sure you care? Where is he? He's paying for this. He gave himself over to Klaus. He just sacrificed everything to save his brother, including you.